In this video, you are going to learn about the layout folder, which is one of the sets of folders generated as part of the project files when you create a project. The layout folder is used to manage the user interface or UI of your application. It contains 4 files with the extension XML, which stands for Extensible Markup Language. XML is used to declare and create UI in Android. Declaring your UI in XML allows you to separate the presentation of your app from the code, like the business logic, so that you have full control of the behavior of your app. That's why these files have been used to create UI. This makes it much easier for you to create different UIs for devices with different screen sizes. For example, I can create another version of the activity main.xml file to run on a different set of devices, ultimately creating a scalable, seamless app. This makes it easier to write scalable, seamless apps that can run on different devices. So, let's examine the activity main XML file. Within this, there is a hierarchy where you have parents and children embedded within the parents. And if you click on the Design tab, you can view what you have in your UI. This page allows you to see the visual representation of what you are writing and experience the different components you have for your app. So, imagine that you want to create a login page. In the Design tab, you'll be able to view the UI you have created. And in the Code tab, you'll have the code equivalent to the UI. You can also access different palettes and components in the Design tab, such as text for text fields and buttons for events. For example, if you want to create text, you'll click the text component. You can use this palette to create anything text-related, or a text input field like email or password. There are many things that you can do using the Design palette, whether you choose to write in XML or want to drag and drop elements. To illustrate, the palette allows you to drag and drop a button on your environment. This hasn't displayed correctly, as I'm not writing the code for now. So, you can undo the action with Ctrl-Z to remove it from the screen. And that's an overview of the layout folder. Later, you'll learn how to create apps using layout and XML, of course.